Hey guys, this is Devanshu Mishra, aka Dibs, a martial artist, an enthusiast, an athlete, and an instructor. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about whether or not a martial artist or a fighter should weight train and lift. So now first we are going to discuss what are the benefits, the major benefits that a martial artist or a fighter may get if he or she weight trains regularly or lifts regularly. So the first benefit is that weight training or lifting increases our muscular strength that enables us to pull, push, throw, hold or deliver stronger blows to the opponent that causes damage even when they are blocked. It also increases explosive speed to burst into attack faster without giving the opponent much time to react. It improves muscular contraction and relaxation, thus improving the overall speed of the body as well. Weight training also increases body's mass and muscular tension so that the opponent's blows and charges show reduced effect on your position. Increased muscle mass also results in increased force because, as you know, force is directly proportional to muscle mass as well as the acceleration of the body. Lifting or weight training also increases endurance by increasing the body's capacity to hold positions and withstand pressure for greater amount of time. More muscle size also creates a special kind of psychological pressure or more intimidation over the opponent's mind. Better developed and conditioned muscles protect the internal organs better. So, stronger and better conditioned muscles or developed muscles, harder muscles also act as a protective cage to protect your internal organs from the injuries that the opponent's blow may cause. More muscles means improved metabolism. So a person who weight trains or lifts shred more fat, as a result increasing the overall fitness as well as body's agility. Lifting heavy weights also increase or boost the testosterone level of the body. So testosterone is basically the fighter-friendly hormone of the body. Why is it called the fighter-friendly hormone of the body? Because the hormone is known to boost the positive aggression and the competitiveness of the fighters. Deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, and heavy squats improve the cardiovascular health of the body. That helps a lot while fighting and competing. Lifting weight reduces the stress hormones and provides mental relaxation, which is very important and crucial in martial arts. So these were the benefits of lifting weights or doing heavy weight training for a martial artist or a fighter. Now, what are the cons or what are the side effects or the adverse effects of weightlifting or weight training that a martial artist may face? Weight training causes muscle soreness or DOMS. DOMS means delayed onset muscle syndrome. Now, this is when the muscles become so sore that it becomes harder for them to move or painful for them to even move. But this soreness is only short-lived and it goes away automatically in a matter of days or hours. And also this is seen more in beginners but not in advanced athletes. Increased muscular pump reduces the range of motion for arms and legs, but the pump is also short-lived and goes away in a matter of hours. Lifting or weight training increases the muscularity of the body, which causes stiffness in the body if regular stretchings are not done alongside weight training. Muscular people doing perfect split gymnastics and yoga is an example of how stretching can play a very important role in eliminating the stiffness caused by the weight training. So now these were the benefits as well as the adverse effects of weight training or lifting that a martial artist may face. So what is my opinion or my take on whether or not a martial artist or a fighter should weight train? So my opinion is a fighter or a martial artist must weight train. Why? Because weight training or lifting plays a very important role in not just increasing the muscularity of the body but also increasing the overall strength, speed, endurance and explosiveness of the body. So weight training is very important for a fighter if he or she wants to improve the overall performance in martial arts. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video and you found it helpful in any way, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment which part you like the most, what you agree with and what you disagree with. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you visited it for the first time and share the video with more people whom you think the video can be helpful for. So thanks a lot for being with us to this point. Stay safe, take care.